Myntra is the largest e-commerce company in India, and we are a part of Flipkart group of companies. Flipkart is one of the largest e-retailer in India. My name is Kaushal Thakkar, and I take care of organic search marketing at Myntra. My responsibilities include driving traffic via content. Our association with Easidia started around 2.5 years back when I was introduced to Alok. I understood that Alok was working earlier with eBay and then with Walmart. This SEO expertise which he possessed helped us in enhancing our organic traffic at Myntra, and that's where we started. The experience with Easidia has been really wonderful. The three main things which helped me with my organic strategy at Myntra is one, the tool which Easidia brings onto the table. Second thing is the quality of content which they adhere to. The kind of quality guidelines that they followed is not something which is followed in the industry. And the third thing is the project management which they bring in. With so many writers, it's really difficult to handle this much content, but Easidia does it very seamlessly. One of our major challenge at Myntra was driving content at scale. We had a few writers on board, around 5 to 6 writers, but the difficulty over there was to get more and more content for the e-commerce company at a large scale. We were speaking of around 100 to 200 articles per week, and that's where Easidia came to our help. It helped us not only in driving this kind of content at speed, but also at a great quality. The content which was published followed our guidelines, and it helped us to sync the content with our existing writers, and that's where it looked as if the work was delivered by a single team. We utilized the platform which was provided by Easidia, and that was very user-friendly. It not only helped us to write the content which we wrote, which our content writers wrote, but also to manage the content which was published by hundreds of other writers on Easidia's platform. We just had to copy edit that particular content and then move it into our systems. Content is the king, and it remains the king. Go ahead, create more content, and follow the best practices which are suggested by Easidia.
You've got heaps of initiatives, big ideas, and a hard-working team. But how can you leverage the momentum of your team when they are fiddling with spreadsheets, version controlling folders, and other less than ideal tools? We've been there. Easidia was founded by leaders in the technology and marketing industries. We know the hurdles your content creation team faces daily. So, we created a solution. Blending real creativity, a dynamic technology-based platform, easy-to-use workflow tools, and a closely curated and trained network of expert writers, editors, and researchers. We've all heard that content is king. It's essential for growing your brand, educating your customers, attracting an audience, and beyond. Easidia's platform is designed with ultimate scalability in mind. Leverage our platform to manage your content creation team's workflow, or tap into our network to have the best content created for you. We are currently working with some of the biggest names in e-commerce and make it easy to start small or big and evolve your strategy as your business needs grow. Learn more at Easidia.com.